Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a successful day. Today, we're shedding light on what you should avoid in your breakfast to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you find these insights valuable, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more health tips, and let's dive into the details of what constitutes an unhealthy or bad breakfast. Foods to avoid for a healthy breakfast. Sugary cereals. Many breakfast cereals are loaded with added sugars, which can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and hungry. Pastries and donuts. While they may be tempting, pastries and donuts are typically high in unhealthy fats and sugars, providing little nutritional value. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, and other processed meats are often high in saturated fats and sodium, contributing to health issues over time. Sweetened yogurts. Flavored yogurts often contain added sugars, undermining the health benefits of yogurt. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties and add your own fresh fruits. Commercial smoothies. Pre-made smoothies can be deceivingly high in sugars, preservatives, and low in fiber. Homemade smoothies with fresh ingredients are a healthier alternative. White bread and pastries. White bread lacks the fiber found in whole grains, and pastries made with refined flour can contribute to weight gain and blood sugar fluctuations. Fruit juices. While fruit juices might seem like a healthy choice, they often contain added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. Opt for whole fruits instead. High sugar spreads. Certain spreads like chocolate spreads and flavored jams can be high in added sugars. Opt for natural nut butters or sugar-free alternatives. Flavored instant oatmeal. Pre-packaged flavored oatmeal often contains artificial flavors and added sugars. Choose plain oats and add your own natural sweeteners like fresh fruits or honey. Granola bars. While marketed as a convenient and healthy option, many commercial granola bars are high in sugars and may contain unhealthy fats. Look for bars with minimal added sugars and wholesome ingredients. High-calorie coffee drinks. Breakfast beverages matter too. Beware of sugary coffee drinks or high-calorie lattes that can contribute excess calories without providing essential nutrients. Fried foods. Avoid deep-fried items like hash browns or fried eggs. The excess oil and unhealthy fats may lead to digestive discomfort and long-term health issues. Excessive cheese. While cheese can be a good source of calcium and protein, overdoing it can contribute to high saturated fat intake. Moderation is key. Syrups and sweet toppings. Pancakes and waffles drowned in syrup might taste delightful, but the high sugar content can lead to energy crashes and increased cravings throughout the day. A nutritious breakfast is the foundation of a healthy day. Steering clear of these unhealthy breakfast choices can contribute to better overall well-being. Remember to hit like if you found this information helpful. Subscribe for more insights and make conscious choices for a healthier you.